Porunai civilization. Few days ago, this ancient Tamil civilization created a massive buzz across the nation. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin announced in the Tamil Nadu Assembly that carbon dating had proved this civilization was 3,200 years old.
அதன் தொடர்ச்சியாக ஆதிச்சநல்லூர், சிவகலை மற்றும் கொர்க்கை உள்ளிட்ட பகுதிகளில் மேற்கொள்ளப்பட்ட அகழ்வாய்வின் போது கிடைத்த அரிய பொருட்கள் அழகுற காட்சிப்படுத்தும் விதமாக திருநெல்வேலி நகரில் 15 கோடி ரூபாய் மதிப்பீட்டில் நவீன வசதிகளோடு அருங்காட்சியகம் அமைக்கப்படும். இது பொருணை அருங்காட்சியகம் என அழைக்கப்படும்.
Porunai, or Thamirabani as it is famously known, is one of the 5 ancient rivers that flowed in Tamil Nadu. This is the current course of the river, while the older courses indicate that this was a major river in southern India. Who would have imagined on its banks lies on one of the subcontinent's oldest civilizations, if not the oldest. Adichanallur, Sivagalai and Korkai, 3 ancient sites where the Tamil Nadu Archaeological Department has been conducting digs extensively for 3 years. Your channel has been constantly showing the findings here and putting them on the national agenda.
Information we have is now of all the artifacts that are being recovered.
Now we present to you the first ever TV report filed from 3 of India's most ancient sites that form the Porunai civilization. Adichanallur. The NewsX team arrived to the first excavation site along the Porunai river. At first look, plain land guarded by a small fence. There is an easing calm around the place. The excavations of this phase now completed. We visited a small workshop that has been set up showing the artifacts.
Well, we are currently now present at the oldest archaeological site here in India, and this is known as the Adichanallur. So now the excavations have been completed over this area, and now we are currently present in the workshop. So these are some of the things which was also been excavated from this Adichanallur area. So I'll ask my cameraman to show you the pictures that these are the monuments which was discovered in the recent excavation done by the Archaeological Survey of India. So definitely this has also shown a great impact, and along with it I'll also show you the pictures of the monuments which has also been taken from the excavation. So you can see the pots and the potteries of the which was brought from the excavation. So you can see the clear pictures of it, and you can also see the mound of the how it's been exactly built. It's also 3,000 years old. So definitely few days back in the assembly, when there was also given importance for the Porunai civilization, which is also known as a 3,000 year to 200 years old civilization, is being clearly seen now. So you can see the shapes of the potteries which was also discovered in the excavation. So this is definitely going to take this issue at the World Heritage level. So you can see the amazon of pots have been recovered, and the pottery has been taken back by the government during the archaeological survey and the excavation which was taking place. So definitely this will be also one of the main motivating thing for Tamil Nadu government. The 3,200 old civilization is being clearly showed in this picture. So I'll also show you the pictures where this is the potteries, and where the drawings have also been given, where you can see that this is a graphite drawing, and we can see the pictures where the drawing was also been 3,200 years before. So I'll also show you the pictures of this is the dismantled pot taken from the excavation. So this is definitely the carbon dating has proved that this is 3,000 years to 3,200 years old monuments have been recovered now by the Tamil Nadu Archaeological Department. So the excavations were completed few days back, and now all the monuments have been kept for a display. So you can see the pictures where this is the dismantled pots, and also I'll show you the pictures where this is a special part of the cutlery which shows you the exact definition of the drawings and designs which was done by the olden modernization civilization, in which 3,200 years old the pots and cutlery have also been recovered by the archaeological department. So you can see the pictures of the pots and cutleries been taken back by the archaeological department, which is also done few days back. The excavation was taking place in the Adichanallur. So now in Sivakalai the excavation is been taking place. So few days back the excavation has been done in the Adichanallur, was also been completed now, and they have also been taking up all the things. And the last few days back there was a clear statement given by Tamil Nadu Chief Minister stating that the museum will be set up 15 crores in the nearby areas of Tirunelveli. So definitely this will all be moved to the exhibition, and the world class exhibition will be built within few days.
Pots in different shapes, some round, some tall, some in pieces, some having graffiti marks. This was the undiscovered beauty of Adichanallur. From Adichanallur, we move to our next stop, Sivagalai. a small village in Tuticorin district of Tamil Nadu. Again a site which is now a national treasure thanks to the archaeology team. As many as 40 burial urns have been excavated here, some as big as 4 feet in height, while some are damaged. As many as 15 are intact, with a few having lids as well. These two pits carry thousands of years of history inside them.
Research has also been found that this particular site has the burials of around 3,200 years old. So definitely, this is also one of the things which was discussed a few days back in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, stating that Purune is also one of the oldest civilization in the history of the world, and they also clearly mentioned that they will be taking up this on burials everything to the national level, and they will be also starting the museums in the upcoming year. So the NewsX is the only channel where you can see we are being clearly getting this report from you ground, and we are also showing the pictures of the excavation site where if you see this is a location where 14 plus the burials have been found here, and you can see the pictures where this few days back the research which was conducted by the beta analysis team has clearly showed that this is 3,200 years old civilization, and the monuments which was also present over here has also been predicted to be 3.
Since the excavations here are still on, we managed to catch up with the local archaeological director, who explained the findings, the process and what they are doing.
Recently, we have been dated the rice with soil sample to around 3,200 years back. So that is one of milestone which we achieved recently for dating back the Tamil civilizations. So actually this Sivagalai site is actually a burial site where the type of burial is urn burials. So we have actually excavated 3 burial sites and several habitation sites also. So this particular Sivagalai site, Parambu, which we locally call it as Parambu, which is a laterite mount. So in this particular site, we have found more than 20 urn burials in here. So this urn burials has been excavated, and they have been exposed inside, and we have found several artifacts such as there have been primary burials which had whole skeletons also, and secondary burials which had several offering pots like small bowls, small ring stands, lid knobs and everything. And we have found iron objects also such as swords, chisels and so on. So this particular period is actually categorized into the Iron Age period. So this is the starting of the use of iron. So that is the reason why we are getting all those iron tools also. So we have got all the iron tools, and we have got the offering vessels also, which have been made in terracotta with clay only. So as you can see, the concentration of burial here is very large in scale. Within a single trench, within 2 quadrants, we have actually found more than 14 urns in here. So it's we can actually say that there has been a larger population who was staying here. So we are trying to trace that also. If this was the burial ground which they were using, so where they will be staying, the habitated mound, where is it? So we are trying to trace that also. So we have been excavating several habitation mounds also, and we have certainly come across with several structural activities also. There is a site called Parakrama Pandi, in which we have found a brick structure which is actually a water channel. So that has been found. So in post excavation, we will date all those samples. We will see the correlations with those 2 sites. So if the date comes together in the same period, so we can actually say that those were the place where the people who buried their bodies here were staying also. So we are trying to trace that also. So in a whole picture, we have actually trying to trace the what was the people stay during this around 3,000 years in this particular site. So how does it helps us in reconstructing our own history, and it's a pride for us also. So it is the work which is majorly the Tamil Nadu government and Tamil Nadu State Department of Archaeology is doing right now. The funds has been also allotted very well, so the work is going on. So we are almost in the stage of completing this season. So the next season will also happen. So we are looking forward for more and more scientific research and scientific results.
He also gave us exciting news that samples have been sent for DNA testing to get further understanding of this era.
of that material, whatever it might be. So that might leave a trace on the bottom of the offering part. So we are collecting the scratch sample of it. So we are testing that also. So in future we might know like what kind of offerings they might have been used. So this kind of activities goes on. So there is a lot of precautions also, like you have to do it very slowly, like 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. So that things happen, and we put all the protective cautious dresses, gloves, headgears and all, because of taking DNA sampling. So it should not be contaminated. So we do our best to collect the samples in a preserved way, and we are sending it to Madurai Kamarajar University, from where the genetic department's head of department, Dr. Kumaresan sir, is doing this genetic thing. So we are looking forward for more and more scientific researchers in this field. So that is all about Sivagale excavations.
Our third stop and the most exciting part of our experience was Korkai. Korkai is an ancient port city belonging to the Pandya dynasty. Again, a small village in Tuticorin, now a proof to industrial activities during the Purnai civilization. We managed to catch the excavation process live. Here's a pit where ancient conches and pipes have been found. The excavation team suspects that this was a conch factory 2000 years ago.
The right opposite house, people were settling with their houses, and that time they found something fishy at this location. So they informed the archaeological department, and later on when the archaeological department came up with the excavation, they found a lot of things. If you see, they have clearly mentioning that there was also a chunk type of industry taking place here in the past 2000 years back, and also show you the pictures where the chunks factory was also been placed few years back, a few decades back. And what we are getting to know is this is the pipe, this is a pre-webbed pipe which is used for the commercial purposes in the past civilization. So nearly 2000 years back there was also used for the civilization. What we are getting to know is that the chunks have been also been found here. I'll ask my cameraman to show you the pictures of the chunk over here, and this is the chunk which is been found at the location excavation site. So definitely this is coming with a very big twist, where if you see, this is the chunks found 2000 to 3000 years back. So you can see the pictures where the chunks have been found in a very huge number. So the officials over here have been also stating that the chunks have been found in a huge number, and they also suspect that the conch factory was also been taking place in here at this excavation site. So this, definitely the 2000 to 3000 years back there was definitely a lot of developments in this place taking place. As you see, I'll show the pictures of, this is the conch which is found here, and along with it there's also a couple of conch present over there also. So definitely this is coming with a very big twist for the Tamil Nadu government, as you see.
Next to this trench was another one which had stone brick walls.
There are a lot of things have been found interesting by the archaeological department. So this is the panel of the pot. We can see that this is a lid completely which is found by there. When they are also finding out the years in which they are clearly mentioning that it's been more than 2000 years. There's a picture given the date of time, and there's also stones placed over here. So there was few years, 1000 years ago. There's also a building placed over here. So you can see the depth of the stones where that's a difference, where if you see, these stones have been very big in number, big in sizes. So in the past 2000 to 3000 years, the stones were taken built over here, and there was also a kind of building placed over here. So definitely the archaeological department is taking the note of it, and you can see the size of the stones, where my cameraman will be zooming that particular stones, where if you see, nearly the size of the stones is very huge, where if you see nearly the double of the current stone which is also shown over here. And there's also a big pot found at this location. So you can see the pictures where the monuments have been taken place, and they're also going to take this items very shortly to the Purnai museum, which will be built within few months in Tamil Nadu.
The local archaeological director further explains the findings.
நமக்கு 1968-69 ஒரு அகழாய்வு பண்ணாங்க. அதோட தொடர்ச்சியாக இந்த ஆண்டு ஒரு 52 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு பிறகு இந்த அகழாய்வானது நம்ம துவங்கியிருக்கோம். இதில் ஒரு 17 குழிகள் வந்து கொற்கையிலையும், ஒரு 3 குழிகள் வந்து மாரமங்கலம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய இடத்துலையும் வந்து அகழாய்வு பண்ணுறோம். இதில் வந்து ஒரு 1000க்கு மேற்பட்ட தொல்பொருள் நமக்கு இதுவரை கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதில் வந்து அதிகப்படியானது ஹாப்ஸ்காச்சஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடிய சில்லுகள், அதாவது பாண்டியாட்டம் நொண்டியாட்டம் சொல்லக்கூடிய அந்த சில்லுகள் வந்து அதிகமாக கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அது இல்லாமல் இங்கே வந்து சங்கு அறுத்த தொழிற்கூடம் அது வந்து நமக்கு நிறைய சான்றுகள் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதாவது முழுமையான சங்கும் கிடைச்சிருக்கு, அறுத்த சங்குகள், அது இல்லாமல் கார்விங் பண்ண மாதிரியான சங்குகள் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. இது இல்லாமல் மணிகள், அதாவது அவங்க பயன்படுத்தின மணிகள் மட்டும் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அதாவது ஒரு குறைந்த அளவிலான மணிகள் நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. சங்கு அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது அது முழுமையானதும் இருக்கிறதுனால, அறுத்த சங்கு கார்விங் பண்ணது இருக்கிறதுனால இது ஒரு காஞ்ச் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியாக இருந்திருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரிய வருது. இது இல்லாமல் ஒரு சில குழிகளில் வந்து அந்த சங்கு அறுத்த தொழிற்கூடத்துக்கு அருகாமையிலே வந்து அவங்க சமைத்த உண்ட பொருட்கள், அதாவது கடல்வாழ் உயிருடைய நண்டு போன்ற பொருட்கள்லாம் அங்கே வந்து கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அந்த ஹீட் பண்ணி சமைச்சதற்கான அந்த ஃபயரிங் ஆக்டிவிட்டி நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. இது இல்லாமல் ஒரு காயின் நமக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு.
This is just a part of the marvels at Korkai. The pipes, the stone walls, small pots, and one as huge as any pot in the world. These findings show that the Purunai civilization was an advanced era in time. Trenches have been dug so far in this excavation. In every single one of these, different breakthroughs made in the Korkai excavation.
A piece of lingering, there's also bones of bones found at over here. I asked my VJ to show it in the zoom pictures where if you see a lingering is been found over here, and along with the pre-Erisera stones were also been found, and the bones have also been found. So the archaeological department have also sent the samples to the testing facilities where if you see they are clearly mentioning that they will be taking up this issue and they will also be researching on that. So you can see the pictures of the bones placed over here. And along with that, in the other excavation points, there are a lot of interesting things have been found here. You can see this excavation points, there are also plates found over here. There's a yellow break cement also been found over. So you can see the pictures where the plate has been clearly found, and there's also clearly shown that this is a plate which are used in the pre-Sangam era age. So definitely, this is also one of the breathtaking, and one more thing, the L shape, the line is also been shared, the brick windows, and also the clear information is being given by the archaeological department stating that there could be also the walls being placed over here. So definitely this has been a breathtaking moment for the archaeology department. As you see, the Korkai is one of the main areas where they have been finding a lot of new excavations. Well, if you see, we are currently inside the excavation area where if you see the excavation has been taking place, and I also show you the pictures where the excavation process is underway, where you can see the cutlery items, the pottery items have also been found over here. So you can see the pictures where the excavation is underway. They are also been taking up the things shortly, and they also clearly mentioned that the department has been taking multiple steps also to take up this. So you can see the clear pictures where the pottery has been found. So there's no indication or scientific research has been showing that the living hood is taking place. So at the other Korkai areas, there was also main industrial area where like coach companies are also been placed. So this is also clearly shown that this can be older than 2500 years. So definitely this is a very big development, and you can see the pictures of the pottery very clearly from the view where if you see this is the pottery, and the predicted years of amount is nearly 2500 years. So I will show you the other pictures of this side where if you see the excavation is still underway, and we are currently at the excavation site. The only channel where we can see that the excavation where we can see that the excavation is been taking place, and now the excavation will be taking place tomorrow where if you see they will be removing all the cutlery items which is present over here. So the excavation is been going on. When we are showing the pictures from the ground, and you can see the pictures of the potteries and other cutlery items found over here. So definitely some of the things are also clearly mentioned by the archaeological officers. The grind has also been found, so which will be used to cut the conches. So definitely this is a very big development, and if you see the conch has also been found over here. The cutlery items have also been found over here. So you can see this from the ground, and also show you some of the main parts which is found at the Korkai excavation site. So this is a part which is given by the archaeological officer stating that this was found few days back, and this is a clear image of showing that the Tamil is the oldest language. So nearly 2500-3000 years, this ancient Tamil shows that this is word belongs to the word Ma. So definitely this is a very big development, and this is the symbol where I'll ask my cameraman to zoom the clear picture stating that this is the picture and this is the item found in one of the cutlery items. So multiple parts have been found. So this is representing the word Ma in Tamil, Asian Tamil. So definitely this can also prove that the Tamil is also one of the Asian languages. So definitely this all the cutlery items and the pottery items have been more than 2500 years, and you can see the pictures where all the excavation parts which has been taking place here have been sent softly to the next step, where they will be washing up all the artillery items. So they will be clearly washing up everything, and later on they will be sending it to the excavation department, the archaeological department. So you can see the pictures where they have been polishing with the brush, and later on they will be sending it to the archaeological department. So they are also been founding readings, and they also been clearly stating that the archaeological excavation is been taking place. And also on one side, after cleaning all the materials, you can see that this is the part which is being kept over here. So I'll show you the process of the excavation which is taking place in the Korikai, and all the after washing the elements which is got inside these sculptures and being got from the excavation site have been cleansed, and they have been kept over here. So later on the archaeological department will be identifying it. They will be also filing a research on it, and later on they will be taking this next step of action to the future museums.
We took a look at all these findings displayed at the site. Conches of different sizes, beads, coins, some tools, but most interestingly proof of trade links with the West.
The main things which was also been founded during the trade. So this is a kind of Roman pot which was been found by the archaeological team. So this was the thing which was used to bring oil and from the Rome. So definitely this is a very big development coming, that the Rome used to take in the oil in this tuxedo jar. So along with it, they also found lot of things which has also been arrived from China. So this is also the cutlery items and the plastic items, plate items which has been found by the archaeological team, and they have also been found out that the disease is emerging from the China. So you can see the clear pictures how the Chinese have been designing this in the 2500 years ago. So definitely this is also a very big development, and this is also the Chinese products have also been found out here. So there is also the trade things which materials have also been found from the Roman time, and then now you see there's many items have been found. So definitely this is a very big development, and you can see this is the couch cutting vessels where if you see that the water will be splitting it out the extra amount. So this has also been found in the excavation. So now the excavation has been showing that the trade was also been conducted 2000 years ago past in the year journey. So this has also been showing over here, and thus especially when it comes to couch, when you see that this is a whole conch, this is the cut over conch, and later on they have been cut into pieces like this, and later on they have also been converted as the bangle. So I also show you the picture of the converted bangle. So you can see the designs of the bangle which was designed by the people in the pre-era age, where if you see 2500 years ago there has also been bangle designing also to take. So the couch was cut by the people over here. So there are a lot of indications that for couch has been cut over here. So a lot of materials have also been found, and they also been turned as a bangle. So this is a very big development coming only on the NewsX, stating that we have been giving you this ground report from the Korkai area where the excavation has been taking place, and they have also been finding lot of materials which is related to the pre-era trade, and they have also been finding out the early civilization, and we have been focusing on the Purnai civilization which is 3200 years old.
So here it was, a deep dive into an ancient civilization that we did not know existed until a few days ago. Preserving these findings and educating the world about them are only some of the challenges that lie ahead. Meanwhile, the excavations continue as we find out about the huge history of Tamil Nadu, the pride of India.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.